Hello, now we're going to present our discussion about self-development life cycle by Sampurna. But first of all, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Stephen,
My name is Vincent.
And my name is Nelson.
and today we're going to talk about introduction of SDLC, utility and function, phases of SDLC, Sampurna intro, and SDLC in Sampurna.
SDLC intro. SDLC is a cycle used in the creation of development of information system that aim to solve problem effectively. Utility of SDLC. SDLC is used to build an information system so that it can run as expected. SDLC system development life cycle or system life cycle in system engineering and software engineering.
So SCLC itself has functioned as serving as means of communication between the development team and stakeholders. And second, provide a clear picture of inputs and outputs from one stage to the next. And the last, dividing clear roles and responsibilities between developers, designers, between analysts, and project managers. So here are SLC phases. First is planning. Project leaders will evaluate the requirements that exist in a project. This includes calculating the manpower and materials required, creating a schedule with targeted objectives, establishing a team, and a leadership structure for the project. And the second is define requirements. Determine what the software of our application should be for and what requirements are needed to run it. For example, in order for social media applications to run, capabilities are needed where users can connect with a friend, so a search feature is needed in the application.
Okay, so next we have design and prototyping. It is about make a model of how software applications work where it is necessary to pay attention to each aspect according to the field. Next is software development. It is stage at which the program is written. Usually, if the project is small, then the program can be written by a single developer. However, if a large project can be divided and worked on by several teams. In this phase, access control or source code management application can also be used to help developers track changes to the code and ensure compatibility between different team projects so that goals are met. Next, we have testing. The testing phase is very important before the software application is used by users. Testing must ensure that its function can work properly and smoothly, so as to reduce the possibility of delays in processing, bugs, and disturbance that users encounter. Next is development. In this phase, the application is available to the customer for use. However, this stage can be more complicated. For example, some companies may need to update databases to newly developed applications, which will take more time and effort.
Operation and maintenance. At this point, the application is actually complete and can use in the field. However, the operation and maintenance stage are still considered important because at this stage, the user may find bugs that were not found during testing. So error need to be resolved. From here, it may bring up a new software development life cycle to fix bugs, determine iterative development plan, or add feature in future release. PTHM Sampurna. PTHM Sampurna is one of the largest cigarette company after Gudang Garam and Jarum. Its increasingly high development makes daily operation very complicated. The department that was most affected was the logistic department, which deal with real-time data on raw materials and production. Therefore, in 1992, the company made decision to use ERP from Oracle.
So here are the 3 steps of SELC stages that Sampurna applying in their company. First is definition, and second is construction, and third is implementation. So maybe that's all from our presentation. Thank you.